Hi children, this is Uma. Now we are going to see Chemistry Chapter 1 Synthetic Fibers and Plastics Part 3 Plastics. This module includes Introduction, Structure, Polythene, Types of Plastic, Plastics as Materials of Choice, Characteristics of Plastic, Plastics and the Environment, Disadvantages of Plastics and 5R Principle. Introduction. Plastic is also a polymer. All the plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some, it is linear, whereas in other, it is cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes, and it is easily moldable. That is, it can be shaped in any form. Polythene. Polythene is an example of a plastic. It is used for making polythene bags. Types of plastics. There are two types of plastics, namely thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Some plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are called thermoplastics. Example, polythene and PVC. Thermoplastics are used for making toys, combs and types of containers. Some plastics, once molded, that cannot be softened by heating are called thermosetting plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of electricity and heat, and it is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, etc. Melamine. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and tolerates heat and used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. Plastic as materials of choice. Usually, plastic containers are most convenient to store food items, water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. This is because of lightweight, lower price, good strength and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts and spacecrafts also. The list is endless if we start counting articles like slippers, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. Characteristics. Plastic is non-reactive. Metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corrode easily. Plastic is light, strong and durable. It can be molded into different shapes and sizes. It is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry for making household articles. Plastics are poor conductors. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics and environment. There are two types of materials. A material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria are called biodegradable materials. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process or called non-biodegradable materials. Disadvantages of plastics. Usually, plastics takes several years to decompose and not environment friendly. When burning, it releases lot of poisonous gas into the atmosphere and causes environmental pollution. So, avoid use of plastics and use cotton or jute bags. 5 or principle. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. However, during recycling, certain coloring agents are added. As a responsible citizen, remember the 5 or principle. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. Develop habits which are environment friendly. Here, I have given you some questions. So read the questions carefully and write answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Write few lines about plastics. Number 2. Name the two types of plastics. Number 3. Give examples of thermosetting plastics. Number 4. Define biodegradable materials. Number 5. Write the 5 or principle. Thank you.